Hey loves, what's up? It's Katt here and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be swatching and reviewing the newest brand here in the Philippines called Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, created by one of my favorite vloggers, Miss Mae Layug. Before we jump into the video, I would like to congratulate again Miss Mae Layug. Na-launch mo na rin yung brand mo. I know last year mo pa siya gustong i-launch, but nevertheless, kahit na delay man siya, it's finally here. And I'm so grateful to be part of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics team. And hindi po ako like totally team talaga or working for Miss Mae. Pero parang gano'n na rin eh. But basically kasi Miss Mae hired me for this specific project dito sa brand niya. But I can't disclose it yet kasi hindi pa siya tapos. And Miss Mae Layug as a client, super bait and humble. And one of the stress-free client that I ever worked with. So let's discuss the packaging first. I'm sure you've already seen what's inside the PR packages. Sa mirror, dalawang version kasi yung mirror na available. So I got the second version. May stand siya. Oh, packs a logo of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Ayan siya. So another item na included sa PR kit, we have here a Swatch stencil. So this is by the brand Smooch Smart Swatch collaboration with Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. This is limited edition and it costs 149 pesos. You'll get 5 different stencil na inspired kay Miss Mae Layug. So first one here, we have a heart, cat and dogs, a rectangular pattern, isang lip-shaped pattern, and a milk tea pattern, which we all know Miss Mae Layug loves milk tea, and meron siyang business, diba, na King and Queen BF Homes milk tea. It also includes an instructions. Available lang po siya, ang alam ko, sa Swatch na Shopee account. I will link on the screen and the description box below if ever you want to avail. And it also includes a sticker sheet. First one here, we have a sticker sheet, which includes illustrations ng product packaging ng milk tints. Here we have the best before date sticker or an expiry sticker label para ma-track nyo kung kailan yung expiration ng product nyo. We have here black text and then the other side white text naman. Small and large font. You can also buy this sa Shopee and Lazada for 88 pesos. Let's proceed with their milk tint. So I've received the PR kit, which also you can buy on Shopee and Lazada for 1,494 pesos. This is what it looks like. As Mae Layug said on her video, naka-UV print siya para pag tinatapat nyo sa ilaw is nag-glossy effect siya or nag-shining shimmering siya. On the side, it says Milk Tint Volume 1. So, possibility na magkakaroon pa to ng another collection tong milk tint nila. So, mag-aabang-abang tayo dyan kasi Miss Mae loves to surprise us. Kaya, tingnan natin kung ano i-release niya next. So, at the back, nandito yung product description, how to use, illustration ng product packaging ng mga milk tints, shade names, social media accounts, logo ng cruelty-free and paraben-free. And lastly, nakalagay dito, made in the Philippines, which means, itong packaging na to guys, made in the Philippines. Diba, di mo akalain pang international ang peg, Miss Mae. Grabe ka talaga. Naalala ko tuloy nung sinet niya tong picture na to, na-shocked ako. Sabi ko, magkano yan? Gusto kong bumili agad or something like that. Tapos nung sinabi niya sa akin, kasama ka sa PR list. And I'm shocked. Like, tayo ko, oh my God, ba't mo ginaganda sa something like that? Kasi nakaka-excite. Unang kita mo pa lang, bibilin mo talaga to, diba? Am I right? This is what it looks like inside. So, merong info card sa loob. Later on, we will discuss this. So, here are the 6 shades. So, unang tingin mo pa lang guys, alam mong universal shade siya, perfect for everyday, day and night, and it suits to all skin tones and complexions. Also, if ever bumili kayo ng PR kit guys, pwede nyo siyang i-recycle. Kasi pwede nyo siya gawing display, or pwede nyo siyang gawing storage box. All you have to do is remove this part, and voila, may storage box ka na. Packaging wise, it looks like this. It's very cute and eye-catching ng colors niya, and customizing design on each shade. This side, you can see an illustration ng milk tints. While on the other side, nakalagay mga product description, how to use, ingredients, and other information. And shade name located just at the top. So, product packaging, it comes with a squeezy tube. At the back, nakalagay kung saan mo siya pwede ilagay sa face mo. Shade name located sa cup, but if ever ma-mismatch nyo siya, you can base it on the design ng product packaging. It has an acrylic nozzle para makontrol nyo yung amount ng product na ilalabas nyo. May included na siyang expiry sticker label para ma-track nyo kung kailan siya ma-expire. Here are the swatches of their Milk Tint Volume 1. Before we begin with the swatch party, skin reference lang, medium skin tone ako with neutral undertones. So now let's discuss all these 5 claims na included dito sa info card nila. So first one, lightweight. Yes, kahit ilang layer na ako sa eyelids, cheeks, and lips ko, it doesn't feel heavy or sticky at all. Sa eyelids ko guys, surprisingly, wala akong naramdaman ng kakaibang texture. And usually we have oily eyelids. So may time na paggagamit tayo iba't ibang variant ng tint, medyo may irritate yung eyes natin or you feel like medyo, ano mo yun, iba't ibang kind of texture depende sa variant ng tint na ginamit mo. But with this one, surprisingly, wala talaga. Hindi siya nag-dry ng matte. Nag-dry lang siya ng may pagka-dewy effect pa siya. But it doesn't feel any malagkit like I've said earlier. Just like a normal lang. Parang pawis mo lang or oily lids mo lang yung nararamdaman mo doon. But yung na-notice ko sa kanya is in-emphasize niya yung lines ko sa eyelids ko. If you want to avoid that, you can use a loose powder or same shade dun na ginamit yung milk tint para mag-set siya. Di siya mag-creasing at all. Second claim, buildable. You can actually build it up from sheer, medium to full coverage depending on your liking. And still, ganun pa rin yung feeling niya. Lightweight, not sticky at all. But sa lips, guys, ever like pinatungan nyo mo like pag full coverage yun na siya actually, syempre, hindi siya totally magsiset kasi sa lips mo. May part doon sa lips mo na may pagka, may pagka parang nag-apply ka ng lip balm or something, but it's not thick as a lip balm, if that makes sense. Kasi mararamdaman mo lang yung creaminess. So, expect mo kapag iinom ka or kakain ka, mawawala yung top part of that. Pero yung underneath nun, hindi. Third claim, long-lasting. So, sa eyes, hindi siya ganun ka-long-lasting if hindi mo siya sinet ng powder or eyeshadow. Same dun sa milk tint na ginamit niya sa eyes niyo. Ako kasi, I have oily lids, expect ko na yun. But, di naman siya like totally natanggal. Yung dito lang sa may inner corner hanggang dito sa gitna. Kasi dun yung part na oily. Pero yung sa outside, hindi na kasi skin na talaga yan. So, sa cheeks, very long-lasting siya unless kung habit niyo yung maghahawak ng pisngi or what, medyo mababawasan yung pigment niya siguro if hindi niyo siya sinet ng powder. Pero for me, right now, I'm wearing the shade Okinawa. Hindi ko siya sinet as is. Milk tint lang po yan. But it looks fresh. It doesn't dry as velvety matte. But ganito yung mga gusto kong variant ng blush. Parang kinurot ka lang sa pisngi, meron ka ng blush. Parang ganun yung peg niya. So, sa lips, depende kung ilang layer yung in-apply nyo. If it's a sheer coverage siya, which I tried it the first time, maganda siya. Kahit kumain ka na ng oily foods, nagsistain siya. And, ang maganda dito, hindi niya gano'n na-emphasize yung dry lips ko. Dun, lalo na dun sa gitna. Kasi, minsan, ito kapag gumagamit tayo ng gel or water tint, yes, long-lasting siya. Yun yung talagang pack na pwede nyong gamitin from day to night na ganun pa rin yung pigment niya na hindi natatanggal. But still, depende pa rin sa formula, diba? Yung cons lang dito is nagde-dry yung lips. Nagkaka-patchiness, yung nagkakasugat na talaga literally. Kasi may iba na pigment na nakakasugat siya sa lips. Yun yung cons ng gel tint and water tint from my experience. Nung first time ko talaga in-apply yung milk tint sa lips ko, na-feel ko talaga na moisturize niya. Para siyang lip balm with thin texture. Yun yung naramdaman ko. Kapag full coverage siya, again, depende pa rin kasi sa lips natin yan kung dry or normal yung lips mo. But I have dry lips. Nagta-transfer siya yung upper part. But ang maganda dito is that hindi totally nagta-transfer yung buong color or pigment doon sa baso or doon sa pagkain, sa kutsara, tinidor, or something like that. Hindi siya totally natatanggal. Nagbibigay talaga siya ng blotted stain. Alam mo yun, yung stain na maganda pa rin siyang tignan. Again, kapag milk tint or gel tint, diba yung namumuumusin sa inner corner, which is hindi maganda. So, fourth claim, blendable. Yes, super blendable po niya. 1 dot, sheer coverage na po siya. But again, depend on your liking. Just a tip, guys, whenever using this, since yung applicator niya is hindi talaga siya pang labi, talaga i-apply nyo talaga sa back of your head nyo para hygienic nga siyang tignan, i-blend out nyo muna, guys. Huwag nyo agad paglagay ng product, kuha agad kayo, tapos i-distribute mo na kasi it's either na mas marami yung kabila than sa kabila or something like that. And the last claim, pigmented. Absolutely, yes. So, formula-wise, expect ko talaga maganda siya kasi sa tatlong makeup brand collaboration ni Miss Mae sa Fresh Philippines, yung dalawa sa GRWM Cosmetics, maganda yung formula niya. Isa siya sa nag-formulate nung product nung sa collab na yun. Also, kiniklaim niya may a little bit of sheen siya to give you that extra glow. When I tried it under the sun, tawa ba? Or on natural lighting na may sunlight, walang parang highlighting effect. Basta yung glow na sinasabi niya is something na parang glass skin-ish siyang tignan. Ang tanong, is it worth it? Absolutely yes. For 249 pesos, very reasonable price guys. Packaging pa lang, grab. And you'll get 8 grams ng milk tints nila. And to me, again, yung formula like I've said, one dot, a little goes a long way. Lalabas na talaga yung pigment niya. And you can build it up again, sheer to full coverage depending on your liking. So let's all be honest here. I know some of you are wondering, questions, or parang doubts, bakit nag-release si Miss Mae ng multi-purpose product even though ang dami ng kumakalat sa Philippines, even internationally. Nagkakatalo kasi yan sa ingredients or formula. So, for me, nung na-try ko to, I actually tried different variants also like water, gel, liquid oil, peel off, velvet, creamy, but still, nagustuhan ko pa rin siya. Why? Because of the ingredients. May mga tints ako na-try, super ganda, but pag repeatedly mo na siyang ginagamit, it's either nagkaka-breakout ka, it's either nagkaka-dry ng skin mo. So, knowing her on your YouTube channel, nakikita rin natin na ilang products na rin yung na-try ng tint, pero nag-release pa rin siya ng multi-purpose product. I feel like may hinahanap siyang ingredients na hindi pa nakakagawa. And to me, experiencing her products for 3 days, I understand why she released her own product. Ito yung wala pa sa market. And this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!